In today's video, we are going to show you how to change the font size in Milanote so your boards are easier to read and better organized. Let's begin. Now, the first thing that you need to do is log in using your credentials and open the board where you want to adjust the text. So in my case, I have a text here which is kind of really small and I want to change it so it's easier to read. Okay, so all I have to do is super simple. Click on the text that you want to edit right here and highlight the text by dragging your mouse over it. Okay, now once the text is highlighted, you go to the formatting bar that appears in the left side area because this is where you can control the size. Click the size tile. And as you can see, I have an option here for the large heading, normal heading, and of course, I'm going to choose the large heading for now, which is what will happen that the text will update instantly. Now, if you want, you can use large font sizes for the titles or section headers, and then of course, smaller text which is best for notes or descriptions. For example, this one. Okay? And basically, that's it on how to change the font size in Milanote and improve your board's layout. Thank you so much for watching, and we will see you again in the next video.